It's noon. Sun's out. You're living your life. And then, in an instant, the sun is just gone. No warning, no eclipse, no clouds. Just gone. And the scariest part? You won't even know for 8 more minutes. This video is the minute-by-minute breakdown of what actually happens. Some of it is science. Some of it is terrifying. And one thing will genuinely change how you see the sun tomorrow morning. Here's something that will mess with your brain. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. So right now, the sun you're seeing, that's already 8 minutes old. If the sun vanished right now, you'd still see it. Smiling, shining, gone. And it gets weirder. Gravity also travels at the speed of light. So for 8 minutes, Earth is still orbiting something that doesn't exist anymore. Then the signal arrives, and the leash snaps. 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the sun disappears. Every person on the day side of Earth looks up at the same time. And the sky goes black. Not night black. Not storm black. The deepest, most absolute black you have ever seen. At that exact moment, Earth stops orbiting. 30 kilometers per second. In a straight line into nothing. We are no longer part of the solar system. We are a rock. Alone. Falling through space. Within the first hour, full civilizational panic. Noon looks like midnight. The moon? Gone dark. It has no light of its own. And 5% of the world's power, every solar panel on Earth, instantly hits zero. The cold doesn't wait. In the first hour alone, 4 to 5 degrees drop. Every 24 hours after that, another 20 degrees gone. By the end of this single day, it'll be the coldest Earth has been in modern human history. Then something strange happens. The wind stops. Completely. The sun is what drives weather, heating air unevenly, creating pressure, creating movement. Without it, silence. The planet holds its breath. Animals don't need a news alert. They just know. Birds land and refuse to fly. Owls wake up at noon. Roosters crow at 3 p.m. into a black sky. Every dog on Earth starts howling at once. Nature knows something humans are still Googling. By hour 2, every plant on Earth pauses. Photosynthesis needs sunlight. No sun, no process. One night, plants can handle it. But this isn't one night. This is the beginning of the longest darkness in Earth's history. Here's what actually saves us. For a while anyway. The oceans. They've been absorbing solar heat for billions of years. Right now, they're releasing all of it. The ocean is humanity's emergency heater. And it won't last forever. Hour 6. Half of Earth was already in nighttime when this happened. For them, it's just a long night. Some are sleeping through the apocalypse. Some haven't even checked their phone. Hour 8. Temperature has dropped 20 degrees globally. Coastal cities? Still survivable. The ocean is a shield. But inland cities, deserts, mountains? Already below freezing. And it was summer yesterday. Governments activate emergency protocols. Winter gear in August. Emergency broadcasts. Stay inside. But nobody, not one scientist, not one leader, can answer the only question that matters. Is it coming back? Hour 10. And here's the part nobody expected. The sky is gorgeous. Without sunlight washing them out, every star blazes. The Milky Way, visible to the naked eye for the first time for most people alive. In the middle of the worst day in human history, the universe just put on a show. Hour 12, the halfway point. Entire planet in darkness. 20 degrees colder, crops dying, animals disoriented, governments scrambling. And yet humans are still alive because of something we figured out 1.5 million years ago. Fire, humanity's original backup plan, our first technology. The day we learned to make fire, we stopped needing the sun to survive the night. And right now, every campfire, every power plant, every lit match is the most important thing on Earth. Hour 16. Cut to 4 kilometers below the ocean surface. Nothing changed down here. Hydrothermal vents, tube worms, blind shrimp. They've never seen the sun. They don't need it. They are genuinely having a normal Tuesday. Hour 20. This is where it gets serious. 40 degrees of global temperature loss. Rivers beginning to ice over. Crops dead. The food supply chain, the thing that feeds 8 billion people, is in free fall. Hour 23, 1 hour left. You're cold, you're scared. The world is darker than it's ever been. But the internet still works. The lights are still on. And somewhere, someone is still watching YouTube. Hour 24, a sliver of orange on the horizon. Then more. Then the whole sky. The sun is back, and I promise you, no human being in history has ever been happier to see a Monday morning. Temperature recovering. Plants waking back up. The ocean switches back to absorbing. Animals come out of wherever they hid. Life survives. Because 24 hours wasn't enough to break 4.6 billion years of stubbornness. But here's what they don't tell you. The sun will die, not today, not in our lifetime, but in about 5 billion years. It will expand, swallow Earth, then go cold and dark forever. And when that happens, there is no hour 25. 24 hours that we survive, 24 days we don't. 24 years, frozen rock, drifting, silent, forever. The difference between life and death on this planet is just that thing you sleep through every morning. Tomorrow, when your alarm goes off, when light hits your face through the curtain, that's a 4.6 billion-year-old nuclear reactor, 150 million kilometers away, keeping you alive, on purpose, every single day. Here's my question. If the sun disappeared starting right now, what would you do in those first 8 minutes? Before the sky even goes dark, when you still don't know? Drop it below. I read every single one.